Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina, the Side Hustle Queen, coming to you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to sublimate this cute little wrist bag. This bag can be found in my store, sidehustlequeencreation.com right now. This is a cute little bag if you like have a little outing and you just want to throw like your keys, your cell phone, some change in it. You got a little nice little wrist strap to it. You can use it for a cosmetic bag. You can put personal items in it, and if you're going traveling, you can get these away for anniversaries, birthdays. You can use it from stocking stuffers for Christmas. Countless of things can be used with this bag. It's a nice bag. Bridal showers, I did a couple of for a lady and her bridal party. So these are some cute, nice, easy sublimation bags that will make a great DIY project, and you can customize them the way you want. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys just how to do it. So the thing that you're going to need for this project is you're going to need your bag. So make sure you head over to sidehustlequeencreation.com. The link will be in the description box so you can grab you a few. You're going to need the picture that you want to sublimate. I'm sublimating this for a customer, so that's why I decided to do this video so you guys can get a chance to see how easy it is and how you can do it yourself. You're going to need you some heat tape, and I always keep me some little handy heat gloves, because if you're using a press or you're using the Cricut Easy Press, it gets really hot, because when you sublimate up to 400 degrees. And of course, you're going to need some parchment paper or butcher paper. Again, this project can be done with an Cricut Easy Press or with your 15 by 15 or whatever size press that you have. Super easy, super fun, super nice little tote bag, makeup bag, cosmetics bag. Countless of things that you can use this for, as well as give them away, make them. A lot of people love custom items. So basically what you're going to do with your bag is, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to line the inside with parchment paper. Because sometimes sublimation ink will bleed. You don't want it to bleed in the inside. You don't want it to bleed to the other side, none of that. So you just want to line it with some parchment paper or butcher paper, whichever you have on hand. Okay, and the next thing you want to do, you want to grab your lint roller, and you want to make sure that there's no lint on your bag. And next, you want to take your design. Again, this design that I cut is 7 by 4, and you just want to lay it in the center. And what I usually do is take my heat tape and just put 2 on each side. It's just this easy, guys, just that easy. Now what you want to do is set your heat press or your easy press to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So we're going to head over to the press and we're going to press this, and I'm going to show y'all guys just how nice these bags come out. So let's head over to the press. Okay guys, I made it over to my heat press. I have my heat press set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I have laid my little bag down. I put a piece of parchment paper down first. I remove the clip, and I always let mine hang off the edge a little bit because I don't want to heat press my zipper. So we're going to go ahead and press our design for 60 seconds. Now that the heat press is ready, I had to grab my glove because the top does get hot. We're going to lift it up, and we're going to head over to the table and reveal how this came out. Okay, you guys, we're back, and it's time to reveal our bag. So we're just going to remove the tape, remove the parchment papers, and look how beautiful that bag came out. That is a really nice bag. It sublimates really well. Again, you can find this bag in my store, SideHustleQueenCreations.com. These make great anniversary gifts. I get orders all the time for different anniversary pictures. Imagine putting a picture like this onto a bag for somebody to use. These are nice. They sublimate great. Look at that. Less than 10 minutes, you can have a one-of-a-kind, custom-made handbag that you can give away as a gift, and people will love it. I'm actually made the keychain to match with Queen on the back. It's going with my customer. She's gonna love it. And if you like the little puff balls, you can even add the puff ball to your purse. If you know, they just, I mean, it's just endless of what you can do with this little wrist purse. Again, they make great gifts. Head over to my store, Side Hustle Queen Creation. Grab you some. Christmas right around the corner. Somebody will really appreciate you giving them one of these that you custom made for Christmas. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you guys next time where I demonstrate different products that I have right in my store that you can grab, and I will show you exactly how to sublimate and use them. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.